Welcome back to the shop. So the internet likes an unboxing video, and I've got a lot of boxes to unbox. So let's see if you like any of this. So the first thing I'm going to unbox, I kind of already took out of the box. Got new engine crossmember and transmission crossmember and all the mounts and mounts to go to the new motor. Everything is here. Looks like everything's in good shape. On to the next box. Optima red top. You can't build a cool hot rod without Optima, in my opinion. Got some brackets from Curry Enterprises. If you don't know who they are, look them up. Got new spring pads to go on the Ford 88. I got, let's see what else. Shock brackets to go onto the Ford 88. And last but not least, an adapter from the flat flange on the Ford 88 to a 1310, so I can get a pretty standard drive shaft after that. And hardware. Right on. So I got some Willwood flexible brake lines for the Shop Dog. Shut up. For the Ford 88 to go against those disc brakes, I'm going to have some flexible brake lines. So that's what I got there. Now here's another whole box full of stuff from Sony. Shop Dog, shut up! Let's see what they send us. Let's see. Fancy fuel filler from Eddie Motorsports. It's going to go in the back of the truck. White box. Fuel sender. More flexible brake lines from Willwood for the front brakes. And this will be the fuel pump, 255 liters per hour. Just enough for that engine I'm putting in. Alright. Next box. Alright. This box is not exactly small. It's not exactly a secret as to what might be in it. See if it's shipped well. Good. What do you know? It's a box inside the other box. They both say Tanks Inc. red bag full of something. Little bit of hose. This here is a brand new fuel injection ready fuel tank for a 1967 Mustang, which is not something I'm building, but apparently this fits. We'll find out. We will find out. So to go along with that red top battery, I had to get me a battery box, and well, I have plans for where the battery is going to live, and it's not in its factory location. So there's a company out of Arizona I'm familiar with. They do really amazing C10 chassis, but I like them enough. Let me use their product anyway. It's a very, very nice piece of hardware, this GSI battery box. Very, very nice. Can't wait to put that in place. Another thing I got from Summit Racing was a master cylinder, because nothing on this truck is really used for a modern vehicle. So I see, oh, that's just pretty. Some nice hardware. This really is pretty. Isn't that nice? What a beautiful piece of hardware. Wow. That's a treat. That's cool. Alright, next bit. Dennis Carpenter sent me some more bits. I'm a fan of that company. They do some good stuff. If you need Ford bits, floor pans. Yep, a couple of floor pans. That's what's in this box. Some more Dennis Carpenter pieces. Let's see what we got in this one. Yep, some more pieces in here. Let's see. Rocker panels. And steps for both sides. You know, with places that are all rusted out, it's great. And last but not least, at weighing in a fabulous 80 pounds, also sourced from Summit Racing, yeah, Willwood disc brakes. That's right, I stepped up. This truck will be able to stop. Oh. 6-piston calipers. It is light. I don't think that the rear calipers, which are single piston, for this truck weigh any more than this. That is surprising. That is beautiful too. Oh, such nice stuff. Brake pads. And I can't stop without that. Bracketry. Let's see, we got bearings and seals and dust caps. Castellated metal. It's got all the right hardware. Well, it appears to have all the right hardware. Let's find out when we actually put it on the truck. Let's see, what else do we got? Ah, very nice wheel studs. More hardware to put the stuff together. This appears to be a fabulous kit. If it bolts on as well as it appears like it's gonna bolt on, it'll be amazing. It's gonna be great. Where'd my knife go? No, seriously. There it is. Part that's never light, the brake rotors are very nice pieces of hardware. That's nice. It's real cool. I'm very excited to get this going. Well, if that's not enough boxes for one unboxing video, then I don't know what to tell you. Come back, watch another episode, see what happens next time. Sure, something will get put on, or a weld on the axle, or mount the leaf springs that I'm mocking up, or something. It's coming along. There's a lot of stuff happening right away. So stay tuned. Thanks.